let's talk about normal and not normal for floating. Is this what you would call normal? How you're supposed to float? This is proper and good floating. Now, what if I was to tell you, actually, it's not necessarily proper and good floating. It is a way to be floating in the water with a lot of tension. My body has tension in my legs, has tension in my tummy, has tension in my chest and shoulders. Which tension isn't all bad, but tension is tiring. What if I don't want to get myself tired? What if I want to let go of the tension? Is that okay? Is this a proper and normal float here with my legs dangling down? Well, it's sure a heck of a lot less work. And turns out I'm still safe because my breathing centers are out when I want them to be out. The roadmap to swimming involves understanding the foundational skills. And one of the core foundational skills is understanding what your normal float is when you do nothing. When you're not at tension, but you're at ease. Then I could decide to be at tension because I want to, because it's fun, not because I have to, or because it's an emergency, or because that's what I have to do to be proper or right. Your body and the water have an exact science and combination that is perfect for you. It's for us to bring curiosity to find out what it is for you.
Just popped out of the pool to pop in and see, would you love to share Calm Within Adult Swim with your friends or your students? We have an affiliate program. Pop down on the links, see if it's right for you to earn a little commission and share a little love.